Hey guys, I have a public service announcement to make, especially for my immigrant physician colleagues. So if you're an immigrant like me, but you got substantial amount of money overseas, like money for your weeks-long Indian wedding, like Ambani, you may want to listen to this. So the IRS has a scary big brother named FinCEN, FINCEN. So FinCEN stands for Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. The name sounds crazy, right? So both IRS and FinCEN, they work together side by side under the Department of Treasury. And one of the FinCEN's main role is to prevent international money laundering. And they have this crazy strict reporting requirement for Americans who have substantial amount of money overseas. And penalty for not filing the form is crazy insane. For some reason, the reporting requirement is not very well known. I didn't know about it until I became a tax pro. So I wanted to share with you today so that you won't get hit with this eye-popping, just staggering amount of penalty. So the reporting requirement rule goes something like this. So any U.S. person, including citizens and U.S. residents, who has any financial interest in and authority over foreign accounts, if the aggregate value of those foreign accounts exceed $10,000, just 10,000, at any time during the calendar year, then you gotta file Form 14. So Form 14 is called FBAR, Foreign Bank Account Report. So let's talk about two terms that I mentioned, financial interest and foreign accounts. So financial interest is being an owner of record or holder of legal title, even though the title is for somebody else, or having beneficial interest in an asset or income. So if you own an LLC that is a legal owner of your foreign bank account, because you are the owner of LLC, you're considered as the beneficial owner of that account. So you have a financial interest in that foreign bank account. So let's talk about foreign accounts. What are those? They are foreign bank accounts, foreign insurance policies, or annuity policies with cash surrender value, and mutual funds accounts, or brokerage accounts like Vanguard's. So you got $10,001 in your bank account in India or Korea for your wedding or whatever, then you have met the reporting requirement threshold. So you gotta file the Form 114 and send it to FinCEN annually and separately, independently of your annual tax return. You can do it online. So the deadline is April 15th, and you can extend it to October 15th. So listen carefully, okay? So penalties for failure to file this information return, there's no tax that you have to pay, just to let them know that you got accounts overseas with a bunch of money in it. Then if you fail to send this form, is $16,000 per account per non-willful violation. So per account, per non-willful violation. So what does non-willful mean? That essentially means that, well, you didn't know. Well, you didn't know that you have to report it. I didn't have any intention to not report it, but just lack of knowledge, right? So if I had 10 foreign accounts with $10,000 one each, 10 of them, that could result in $160,000 in penalties. That is totally insane, right? If I got hit with this type of penalty, man, I'm gonna be pooping blood and end up in the ER with the massive hematochezia, all right? So if you got a substantial amount of money in a foreign account, make sure to file Form 114, okay? So hope this helped, and until next time.